Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to pour and pull and set up the pipe for the Pee-wee fountain. With your order, you're going to get 3 molds. You're going to get the bowl, the topper, and the pump housing riser. Your top piece is going to have 2 holes in it. It's going to have one at the bottom and one here. What you want to do is get a hold of some 3/8 poly pipe. You're going to run it through the bottom, feed it up, and run it to this other hole. It'll look like that. And you only need enough out here just to grab the pool. Then we're going to take and cut this. And what we're using, this is a 3/8 inside diameter poly pipe. So this will fit over the 3/8 pipe. And what we're doing is making a breakaway point so we can pull this pipe out easily. So once this is poured and the concrete sets up, we pull the bottom pipe out, and this piece here will stay in the, so we'll just pull this out. This piece will stay inside the concrete, and then when you flip it over and pop it out, this will come out. So that's how you run the pipe in for the Pee-wee fountain. And I'll show you how to oil it up and pour the concrete. Okay, we're going to oil this mold up before we pour it, and we're just using motor oil. I got 520 here. Seems to work fine. I have the motor oil in a pan here with a sponge, and we're just going to oil this up. I'm going to do a couple here. I'll pour 3 sets at one time. Okay, I got all these oiled up. I'm just pouring some extra ones here when I'm doing this. But now what we're going to do is, you'll see there's puddles of oil in here. So I'm going to go to take it to the water hose and put it on a shower mode and just spray this out lightly and get the puddles of oil out of it, and then we'll be ready to pour. And you want to make sure you do this process right when you're ready to pour. Okay, we got these all rinsed out now after we oiled them, and we'll go ahead and put our pipe back in. Okay, now we're ready to pour this. Okay, we're ready to pour the Pee-wee fountains. With these Pee-wee fountains, I just use some blocks, block them up. You can come up with whatever you got just to get them up so you can pour them nice and level. So we're ready to pour, and I'm using ready mix concrete. This is a 60-pound bag, and for each 60-pound bag, I always add Portland to the ready mix bags. Makes the concrete come out really good. But this scoop is 8 cups. So we'll go ahead and mix this into the bucket. And I've already had a little bit of water in that bucket there. Okay, you want your mix about like that. We're ready to pour. Okay, you can pour it like this. That's ready to go, but I'm gonna add this Buddy Road 310 powder to my mix. I like using it. Makes my concrete flow really well. I just use a spoonful. See, when I add that, it makes my concrete flow a lot better. It looks like you added a bunch more water, but you didn't, and you still got the strength. So we're ready to pour this. Let me see. This 60-pound bag with the scoop of Portland should almost pour 2 fountains. Give these a few shakes to release the air bubbles, settle everything. Okay, we got 1 fountain out of the 60-pound bag. Let's see if we can get 2. I believe it'll do 2, really close to it. Okay, not quite. We got a little bit in here, not enough to do the topper for it. So we almost poured 2 fountains with 1 60-pound bag. So an 80-pound bag would probably for sure do 2 fountains. But let's see here. Yeah, very close, but mix up some more concrete. You know what to expect. This is probably about the hardest one to get out, but just use a board. That's pulling the Pee-wee fountain. Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up the spout for the Pee-wee fountain. Alright, now we've got the piece pulled out of the mold. Remember, we had pulled the hose from the bottom there, and we're left with this piece here. What you want to do is just take and trim this up real close. Okay, so we left that piece in there, trimmed it up. Now what we need to do is take this copper tubing, and we need to bend this piece for the spout. Okay, we got the copper tubing cut now. Now we just throw it in here. Alright, and that's how you'll adjust the water flow. If it's shooting a little too far, you can just get a little rubber mallet and tap this down a little bit. Okay, we got the copper tubing in now. Now we need to put it in the bottom. You only need a little small piece. You can use this to determine about how much you need. These small pumps, this won't hardly fit, so what we need to do we're just going to heat the end up of the poly pipe. Just a little bit, only at the tip there. That'll allow us to get it over there. Alright, so we'll just shove this up. Let me trim the top of this. Just put it in like that. Now to get the exact height, I'll just do this. You can see in there. And that's it. Now we just take this piece and it fits there right on top. And that's how you set up the piping for the Pee-wee fountain. Okay, just to show you one painted up. This is what it looks like. And I found that the medium-sized Catawba stand, the medium size, works really good for these fountains. But it's a tabletop fountain, but it works good for these medium-sized pedestals. Okay, I just showed you how to pour, pull, and set up the Pee-wee fountain. Now let's talk a little bit about the molds. My molds are made from a high impact ABS. And just to show you, they're strong. You can pick up the Pee-wee fountain at ABSMolds.com. We're going to do a brick test.